Excellence is not a skill, it is an attitude. Ralph Marston. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to see a new word, a slang word, hooked. Hooked is a slang word which is used by native speakers. What does it mean? Hooked. Hooked means addicted to, very interested and enthusiastic about something. That is called hooked. If you are hooked on something, you find it so attractive or interesting that you want to do it as much as possible. Enjoying something very much so that you want to do it, say it as much as possible. So, hooked means addicted to something or very interested and enthusiastic to do something. Shall we use the word hooked in a sentence? Look at this sentence. He was hooked after 3 episodes. He was hooked after 3 episodes. He was addicted to that serial after 3 episodes. That is the meaning of this sentence. It means you are enjoying something so much that you are unable to stop having it, watching it and doing it. Number 2, Daryl is hooked on computer games. It means Daryl is enjoying computer games very much and that he wants to do it again and again. He wants to play the game often. So, hooked means strongly attracted to something or someone. Here, Daryl is strongly attracted to computer games, so he wants to play the game often. Look at this sentence. They were afraid she was getting hooked on painkillers, so they changed the medication. And the last example, during Olympic Games, all the players got hooked on ice dancing. It means during Olympic Games, all the players are very much enthusiastic on ice dancing. They want to play ice dancing again and again. They are addicted to ice dancing. So, hooked means addicted to something, very interested and enthusiastic about something. So far, we have discussed the meaning of the slang word hooked, which is used by the native speakers. Hope you liked this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.